So my people, me have some things I may go share with Uno. Seeing because Rosealee take on Blinga last night. Wicked my people. You saw me I say Rosealee come brawling and wicked for Blinga. You saw me I say, so me I go share that with Uno my people. I think she also go at share. Me not quite remember, but me have a video so we are gonna see. Zine, me also have share, you know, expose one of the LWWW community person. You know what I mean? I give Destiny a strong warning. And I go make you hear that, my people. And me I go to my opinion on that because I always are telling you certain things when it comes to certain people on social media or social media in general. So me I go to my opinion on that. Right? Me also have done, you know, my people. I respond to some things with cheese I say about her, and also I make the world know say yo she prefer to see cheese go down more than anything else. She would have never deal with cheese ever again. You see me I say Dan use some very strong words in that video, yeah, my people, and I go share it with Uno. Scene we also have I call you know, I think from yesterday that video you still, but me I go share it with Uno. With him I expose a lot of persons like even blame them, even Blinga. You see me? We run up in a him DM. You see me I say blame them all, I call him Mr. Full of manners and and principle. Can you believe blame them I call somebody Mr.? You see me? So we're gonna get in that, my people, and maybe add more things as we go on. So make we kick it off.
And she break the agreement. She can never blood clot. Never, ever in a peace with me. Cause me not in a peace with she. And I will never in a peace with she until me see that she go down in the hole or she go home. And one thing me love with my uncle. Man say from you commit a crime in the United States. From them call whether you do it or you know blood clot do it. You're going home. And you see the things them when me have in my blood clot phone.
I want to see Tuano live good, man. I love it, Tuano, you know.
Thinking, why?
No, you know, Auntie Dan, you know I love you.
Listen to this. Kim King is bigger than you. Like, way bigger than you. I'm why you believe that. Say this bigger. No. The only somebody could have fixed this are the Almighty himself, and him have to come down. Him have to come down from heaven with them same day and hold it power with hand. And make me look and say, yes, I am the truth. Nobody at all from the face of this earth can put two back together. Remember me tell you that. Nobody at all can put two back together. Nobody at all. And will never, ever put two back together. They can't put me and anybody on TikTok together. Because I have no enemy on TikTok. One enemy me have. I'm going to talk this every day. One enemy me have on TikTok. And nobody can put me and that the enemy there back together. I never will put the two away back together. Let me tell you if you don't know. Because guess what? You see the amount of lie where this a girl tell for me? This a girl make up some blood clot story about me. This a girl tell people how my foot big, how me big. King. Let me ask you a question as a man. Oh, you da refer big foot woman. At what size shoes you da say a woman foot big? I'm want you to be real, like real.
Size 12. And I said technically all of my sister put them at 10 and 11. All of we are 6 foot. So I say my sister them put.
Alright.
My mother wear 11. My sister them wear. I think one of them was me wear 13. Everybody in my family are 6 foot. You understand?
Yeah. King. Samantha. I'm the only person in my family who wear about 4 different sizes. Everybody in my family wear size 8 or less. But nothing over that. Samantha the only person, because she say, you can't sit here, it can fit she. So no matter size, it can fit she. So she wear every size to blood class. I can't tell you exactly what Samantha size, because she wear every size. And if me carry a size 5 sneakers, you go see Samantha in it. So me can't tell you Samantha size.
One of my sister them alone wear less than size 10. What did size 11? My mother wear size 11.
The amount of time I show the people them, see my foot here. Look at my foot a little bit. Look at my foot on my foot a little bit. And this and y'all I tell blood clot people say me wear size whatever. Weird. It's weird. 7.5, 8. Be comfortable.
Yeah.
Alright, Kim, never ask you a question. I'm why you be real, because you're there foreign now.
Yeah.
What size I say you wear?
13.
That are your right size?
12, 13. Me have 6'4", you know. Me we wear all 14 to come at all.
Alright, may I ask you a question? When you buy your work shoes, you buy your work shoes, your exact size what you wear?
No.
Okay.
You buy bigger than your foot, you know, and comfortable.
Everybody in America buy them work shoes bigger than them foot.
Bigger than them foot.
Never seen
Alright, remember me,
shoes?
Dan, listen up. Remember me play basketball, you know, and volleyball and netball, you understand? So when me buy my shoes, then me have to buy a size 14. So I'm comfortable.
Buy them bigger than your foot.
Bigger than, yeah.
Germs, they don't
especially
know
in a winter. Sometimes all your foot will swell up on you, and where you go wear when your foot swell up?
So you are the one where you walk all day, I walk around. There's no way upon God earth you go buy everybody where you
don't want uncomfortable
in America
shoes.
where you
I don't want
shoes bigger than them foot.
You know, we as Jamaican back in the days, people used to love tight boot. Nobody don't want a tight boot. But me,
American people don't wear
tight boot for my foot.
And most people work, so their shoes are comfortable. Oh, you go work in a tight boot. Come on.
Dan, a size 12. Me wear size 12 really, but me not buy no boot with a size 12.
Okay. Can't remember you're there in a cold country.
Me buy bigger than my foot. Me not wear 13, you know. But just to get comfort and lot of room in my shoes, me buy 13 and 14.
Come on. Like, yeah, so I like you're going
and
out
it depends
on
the brand of shoes.
Your size, you're going out shoes, because you now got road for long and you're going out shoes. But when you say you're working on them, that you're crazy, you're going to buy bigger than your foot. They never working on their life, they don't know them there.
And it depends on the type of shoe, because some shoes tough.
Listen to them.
I that to do my people buy a different size in our work now. Because me, find out that the size of I go wear right through unless me I buy one slipper now. And then me say boy that fit me too exact. Me buy a bigger size, like one size up. But like every other shoe where me I buy, it have to be the same no matter where me I going at. You see me I say me they know say that them do. You see me, and my thing them fit me right through, and you know what I mean? Although some of them have a little squeeze on them sometimes. So me see why them do what them do. You see it? So make me know what to think me people about Dan saying that she and Cheese can't be friends no matter what. You see me? Because me see people do people worse than what Cheese do she. And them turn back friend. You see me? But you know what I mean? Everybody different. You understand? So, want to tell me what you think in the comment section, my people. I go watch some more.
I remember seeing a girl laugh. Yeah, when I see a girl do. Me have my phone in my hand. A girl put my phone on screen record and tell people say, oh, me have Obama phone. Obama never come to Boston. No part
Barack
of
Obama.
We are not Obama sitting on there. Somebody just say it like that and bust out a laugh and say to you, somebody say, me ever say it just like that and make you people them bust out a laugh. Obama never come to Boston, girl, to give me a phone. So
Barack Obama.
And listen up, and the shoes in Nike, and the people them in Nike comment and listen to germs, you know. And the shoes when me have on, listen good enough. And Obama is a package them give it. Nobody in my house no dep on blood. When me come here, my sister work at airport. My mother work at hospital. My nephew work at hospital. My niece work at hospital. Me come go at hospital. Charlene come go at hospital. My nether niece come go at hospital. Nine we in the house. My nether sister and all the blood clot. Nobody in there no depend welfare. None of we no get government assistance that is a blood clot house here. You cannot work and go get Obama phone. Number one, the first thing them about say if you work. Me never see Obama girlfriend. Obama give me no phone. Suck your mother. And the people them believe her enough. Me say she talk to one girl in her box. And like a girl, come here girl, I said, Dan, nobody cuss me no, cause I know me. No, me no just cuss people, so I know sorry work. She a tell the girl, say, the shoes that me have on are Obama shoes. The fat, listen up, because I know nothing upon me. The phone when me have in me and Obama me get it from. Kim. The first phone when me won in America, and the manager work by me. The first phone when me won in America, and the manager I work by me the phone. From me there, a foreign, every time me carry a phone, then give me another phone. Cause you know foreign, I saw foreign gonna like you there Jamaica, you have to buy a phone. You gain one and you get one. Before this, them say if me take 3 months to pay your feet, me go pay me say 800 and something. 800 and something, and me decide say me not pay no 800 and so me say if me take less than 3 months, how much they say 500? When me pay 500 and just take a phone.
Yeah.
Here with my phone them. When me notice with my phone, cause me love Android. You will just come home and you turn on the phone and it just done. Just nothing now come. You just plug in nothing. I saw my phone then done. Every Android me ever saw them done. Like me use them till them blood clot done. And me go get a new one now and start again. Nobody in my house never get up one day from we come a foreign and say to we say, come, we are carrying no go this up. That him, alright, you know what myself there? You know what myself there, Kim King?
Myself, we state that now.
Alright, no, myself the Medicaid where you know you go up and like myself where free where you know go the hospital, the clinic where you can go catch you not have no whatever, or you and live below poverty, you go there and then do everything for you free, whatever. Look at the clinic. Like with that Blue Cross, Blue Shield and all of them something there. Not even a walking distance there. Okay, a walking distance me there. Walking distance and nobody never can say, come, go to yourself. Go do this or go do that. A Blue Shield. Me have, when me just start a Blue Shield, me King. When me there Jamaica, you know, and me go tell you this, you know. Me never even have a headache, you know. My head never at me yet, you know. I just had my head at me, you know, Kim. When me have my situation, my head never at me yet, you know. Blood clot. Sometimes me hear people all about for a certain pain, disappear that the pain. Me I say, you know, say I go to lie them a blood clot tell. TT call me never have them sitting there yet, you know, Kim.
Yeah.
Me never have them there sitting there yet to blood clot. And like when you really look on it in a life, and like I said, you come a foreign now and you realize say yeah, eat different food than them there. Here when me notice say, oh, me feel like me have one like crass or so. Me put on 2 stocking cap. Crass or so just feel a way like me have to take off like sitting in a me yaya.
Like when me have on the Tama and me have on the Dura, that's some with me.
Right, like sitting in a me yaya, jog me yaya, crass me foreign, it just me have to take
like
off.
Like you want your headache. That's why I couldn't wear a wig because me that tear it off of me.
Right, you go tear it off. So like I say, boom clog. If me have sitting here, so it just like me head a grab, me forehead a grab, and then to go in a one of me eye like it a grab one of me eye, and grab one of me eye.
Migraine it one. Migraine. Anytime you feel like your eye hurt or migraine, you get.
But I sit on me have to put on my head. I something me have to put on my head. Right, think about this, King. Just think about this. Our girl, when a beard and brush teeth, I go tell you say your mouth stink. Just think about that.
She's not beard and brush teeth?
Every Sunday in beard. Sunday in beard when we go got canal splash. Him no beard during the week. And my friend them will come meet him a foreign can tell us and a lie me a tell. When me bust that, everybody I wonder when me get that gun there to blood clot when me bust it. Say, go on Sunday in beard. Until a friend them when they round him, all in dyke friend them, we go round him can tell us, say, you know, say, true Danny that talk, but true me and him used to talk, me never want bust it out. Upon Sunday in beard, him have to confess that blood clot there. He can't talk nothing about me if he make me confess. But me can't talk things about him for make him confess that blood clot, I know no lie me I tell. Him no be the nasty you fuck. He nasty you fuck. You say rank? But you supposed to know that ranking people pan a hole where rank so like them to blood clot always have problem and fault. Him no be.
Hey people, me not gonna lie you still, you know. Dan and Cheese cussing. One of the funniest cussing still, you know. Them say some sitting about each other, you know. Me I wonder if I really truth, you know. But me can't see with Cheese not bathing very often because she bleach, you know what I mean? Because anybody with bleach can tell us, boy, a couple days well them we go without bathing because them want the bleaching for soak in them skin. You understand me I say? So me can see with that. Cheese I tell people how Dan foot big and all. Well, hey, when Cheese can't find nothing, Cheese make it up to rascal. Yo, me I tell you say people, this is one of the funniest back and forth. You see me? Cheese and Dan. And what acting up people at the same place them used to live in, you know, so them know things about each other, you know. Boy, I tell you, yo, people, make me know what to think. We're going to watch some more, then we'll move on to the next.
Him wear one clothes all 5 days. Sometimes he can't turn on the camera and find one clothes. Then the girl that even have a good draws a blood clot. You think I joke me, Rick? Then the girl wear draws till the crutches done to blood clot. Because they think it's hard to buy another one. Anybody will say, when she say claim to say I give her information about me, I pray that day when you can't take the pressure no more, you just say I can't do it. That's all me I wait on. Because me under your blood clot. Because me have proof for everything when me say about you, me have proof. You can't come with a proof. You come with man say, that man ya, you come this. You, go find more man. Blood clot. Alright, Kim. I'm going to ask you another question now. If you know me, say 14 years now, or say 15 years, because you pick me at 14, so say you breed, so say you know me 15 years. All right. Samantha said 35 then. Put 35 and 15, how much you get?
50.
No, 35. But you have to take out 15 out of 35. How much left?
20.
20 left. All right. So if you know me when me at 20 and me live with my man, oh, you have to tell me say, oh, you have to tell my mother say, cause my mother say, you pick me and eat full shit and you know. All right, me could do it good. Let me match you out for you. If him know Samantha live with him baby father, oh, you know say Samantha that eat full shit and you know Samantha live with him man. You tell the people, just add up the maths for me, no man. You get the point to me, I say? The type of person we are deal with. If you know my daughter when she have her picnic, and you come and tell people say, them you so in a dirt, then you know a blood clot that and you just know what they are. Think about that. Alright, look here again now when me go use and kill a dirty blood clot drunk crowd. You see that man here where you see say my show say my man? If me tell you say, when me know this a man here, alright, me go put it right and proper way. If me tell you say when me know this a man here, him 11-year-old, oh the blood clot you fi know this a man here. Think about this, you know, it's a maths me again, you know. 41 and 30. Yeah, so we are going to take 30 out of blood clot, 41 left 11. How the blood clot, you know this as somebody that you say, yeah, sure. With receipt. Think about that. Which you there when you're 11? Germs. You don't even know Spanish town. You don't even know yourself. So how the fuck you know this a person you feel say you put up picture now? And I say, sit down, man, yeah. You want a blood clot that you want. Think about that. Think about that. And me can't like this a girl. Me hear this a girl like pies to blood clot. Hey!
You know, say, to be honest, me don't want.
Mr. McKing.
You know, say, me don't want to know.
We are not king. You see somebody when put up. He not even know say. I get the people them in a problem. That is somebody picture not even for them on social media, you know. I run with them, the somebody run with from when, you know. All you see him a go on, man. Me say him a go be own blood clot don't fall. All you see him a go on. Me see a woman come on a woman life. I try remember who for life. Me see woman come on when no man, you know. And I say the woman and the man never use cause you mash up the people their life right now. You mash up the people them life. And if you take down a man picture that somebody when you know what they say man live. Man blood clot Chester in England. Me no know them the place there. Me never got them the place there. Just think about the type person we are dealing with in a king. Me want to know, like me, anybody that on my life when the woman, the lady there, where that says she know a man, and she live in England, me that want she can talk where happened between the blood clot picture where them a put up.
Hold on. Me, actually saying I want.
She can't come from my life a blood clot. In can't come from my life. Can't come from my life. Make him go back go suck rather would when suck. Alright, you were nasty. A man takes 7 years to eat from him to blood clot. You watch one part in the Bible where 7 years with a drought to blood clot. 7 years. You can't fuck a girl and take 7 years from him. No must nasty that the girl is nasty till he can't nasty no blood clot more. Hey, yo, King. Today is Sunday. Christmas. Just done. What I deal with? People. You know, your mouth of fly people that take God off a cross. Me no see fly killing and blood clot out with him. Me no see fly a New York. Me no see. Then shame. All with us say they no see fly a New York. Everybody can say, true, fly that kill you to blood clot. Fly that kill you in there. Cause we not see my breed up fly to blood clot. In a cool country. For sure you're nasty in blood clot, me. In a cool country, my breed up fly. Murder to blood clot for Samantha. Murder for Samantha. Me. So Samantha put you up, and Samantha me see you come say you put up video and I put up cheese with teeth and puss to blood clot. Cheese with teeth and puss. You cannot put up girl say girl go with man figure big getaway driver figure go rob and you wear big. Tell them say you go much time to. Stop going like you no innocent. And me fi do them the something they call me a coward when it come to certain things. Nobody can lead me gonna where me not gonna me a boss. Me a blood clot boss. Me sit down one place and call for what me want. Where the blood clot there, dirty girl? Where the fuck there? Me you know I said class. What the fuck? Me you know not farmer class, none at all. If some people wish to speak the truth, I say, Dan, nobody should even make nobody see on them the germs they argue. I first girl me see come in our community and no man no look on a blood clot. Him and they free and they run. The girl sick you too much to blood clot. Yes, I wear the blood clot this. A girl come in a one yellow tight suit for days before and take it off. With some button panny. Look long and mag and cranky. Never forgot the day when me see him in a yellow sitting. For days. Anybody wish to speak the truth or capture and can tell us a true down at all. Him not changing clothes. From the Dan came go for and think I done. I trick them check him up. And the Dan came go same night in come a blood clot capture. No, same night in come a capture land. Come not tell a lie on him. In come a capture land and in down a one girl yard when he Penny dash him out. So when Penny dash him out now, in come in a lava square now, come turn up. When there was a girl, so a man see him and go fucking that same night there. So at night when he come out, when they let.
Yo, my people, Dan and cheese cussing make you laugh, you know. Me nah lie, you know. Big woman thing when Dan and cheese are cuss you have to laugh, cause some things what them say about each other. You see me? Me I wonder if all of what them a say are true. You see true me never see what them a talk about. Me have to just assume. And pan a level my people, me just take these cussing on social media as just entertainment. You see me? Me not gonna be like some people who are ride for this a person and diss up that person and say them not like that person because them and this a person in a cuss. Nah, me just watch you and be entertained and just I eat that for me. So mother tell you if you do the same. You know what I mean? Look what some more my people.
Him out where them throw him out down a blood clot down in a lane where me there. And he think, me don't know how should I girl him say, yeah, I done, go on to him. You know, like a man call and the girl them a push her say, yeah, go on, I done. The man go for and then he think I done, he find out say, no, that me have a blood clot done. Suck your mother, be I done. When the blood clot be a dirty girl. That's why he find out say, so you go come to me now. 1,800 eyes. Alright. Me nah stop call. I saw me name now, me new name. Me nah stop call. Up to today me call ice again. Me nah stop. Me want them I shelter, me want them taking blood clot. Let me tell you what me want really want do. Me want make an appointment with ice. Then say me have to make it 3 days before me go at the office. And me want go in there and sit down. And the person now me want hand them my phone and tell them, said this, yes sir, this. Me have one surprise here, see girl. You go put on by your knee and ball to blood clot. Cause you go say, me never know say that need wicked so. For a girl where you know for 15 years and never, a girl know me for 15 years and never see me cuss one time. For a girl where never cut her yaya for your yaya, say you never know say so girl, one girl can wicked so. 1,800 eyes. Me nah stop
She
call.
has said request. Accept it.
Kim,
Yes.
go on now, no? You can't go on now, you know? You can't go on now.
Me not accept it, man. Me not accept it. We
Kim,
just tell you, me not accept it.
you know. You see the picture where she says she have over there, say she a show with me. It's not a picture, you know. It's a video where she screenshot, you know. So you know when somebody a move and a walk and people screenshot your picture, it a go just come out the weird car. Guess what? Them a look for negativity. Them not look for positivity. You know much good nice picture me have on Facebook. Why the drunk no pick a picture from over here? You can't pick a picture from over here.
Let me tablet there.
So you go look a picture from 2017, 2016, 2014. At this where you gone? When we in a 2000 blood clot 5. Yeah, the only girl me see go do your body to blood clot, your belly wrinkle up like a blood clot boiled potato. That's you have to go back and do your body and catch infection in it already. All your fat run from your blood clot body and me you say you come for. Y'all go and go sit down here, man. You know, say rotten girl. Rotten girl. Go in your blood clot. You can't come for me. A man never text your phone and call your name 30, 40 times yet. Just a call your name to your answer. A man never do that to you. A man never, alright, me I give you simplest blood clot look at task. A man never walk my car door for your germs. A man never walk my car door for you make you go in a car. You're not even that the life that you never live. Poor thing. A man never send you a sensible text yet and say, baby, me miss you. Baby, me want to see you.
Auntie, now make it read so far that you go to immigration. Now bring it to immigration, man.
Team King, you look like you not understand the program. Only Father God himself up at heaven can come, hold fear and hold my hand and say, he done ya so. No bad man, no soft man, no normal man, no straight man, no batty man, no lesbian, no woman, no straight woman, no lean woman, nobody pan the face of this land can't change what me and the girl you have until death. We will never ever exchange a word in English. Every month, Tati collect me $50,000. And this are germs that they on the internet yesterday in the same girl box. I say, me cannot even send $5,000 go give me grandparents again. So weird. Because me always ask a question here. So my grandparents them not father or foreign. You tell the people them say me I get $500. Okay. So like how you live a foreign and you have pay $1,800 a month. 4 times 5 how much? Because you know everybody business, you know. Because you say me if you take 1 week of my money when me a work and send go get Tati. Tati don't have a baby father. Tati, one thing me know with my family there. We always have a baby father. Behind a strong baby father with we back. And if I source of food to blood clot.
Just forgive her now, my auntie, man.
King, come like you come like you're not getting.
No, man. No,
King,
man.
King, listen to me. King, you see if you do me something right now, you can't do me something today, tomorrow, and the next day because why?
Me not do nothing coming across people.
No, we don't know each other, so when you go say can't hurt me, cause you understand me? I say you see somebody where you clothes, feed, rescue, do things for. And when they take one care of you, me get back in care for you, now.
Me say hurt, man, but
me could not talk. That's why me I tell you the difference between me and the other people them on TikTok. We don't know each other, so we can talk back at any time. She is total different. She is total different.
Alright, my people, so here we go on. One thing me not like with these people when them cuss, them always want call who them want call and get you sent home and all these things. But me have to say, me never see none of them really get hold on pan and none of them they get sent home yet. So me still have what them do as entertainment. That is just my opinion still, you know, my people. It can be serious like a church, you know. But you know what I mean? Me just have it as entertainment. That is just my opinion. You know what I mean? Them can't in them real cuss or something. But you know what I mean? I just me just have it as entertainment. You understand me? So me now will get invested in it. So let me know what you think with people.
At that you come like you not get it, so me explain it to you. 1-800 ice, me not tap call. As me tell you, no King. You and the other people them on the internet, we don't know each other. So word are gonna just fly through. You not gonna remember me not gonna remember you. But a person where you and them spend 15 years together, you can't forget that. You understand? You can't forget that. You see man when say him put up a show now? At 3 to 4 days, me see this man when say him put up, you know. That's why me couldn't know who this, you know. Coffee amount of years where we never even hear back and me tell you why the person left. You understand? Me tell you why the person left. When me look at the picture, me I say, oh, the man look all tall and them there when somebody a run where somebody a short somebody. So there's somebody where used to always have an hat on him head when me did see him. So let me I say, oh, that's somebody. Me send it to a youth when me used to say, cause to him be known and he know everybody. Me say, you know that man here? He say face don't look strange, you know.
But you care. Because you know your image rotten, you care. Me not care. Well, people them talk about you are gonna care. Me no blood clot care. Cause me know people talk. Me know say if the story, if this, me tell you this. Them say believe kill and believe kill and they believe cure. Right? Me know say if your blood clot, tell the people them say the cow jump over the moon. Who want believe and who want believe. Some will believe and some will believe not. These are the internet. Some story come out. Some people believe and some people believe not. Some will believe, some not believe, and some believe and don't even blood clot care. I ride my back like a blood clot Jackie. Stinky girl, I'm in trouble you. I not blood clot stop. And the care where you're going at the road, they can't take me down off of TikTok. Me hear what they young doing at the blood clot. Like they have to don't go clean about that house and them say I want them tell about your thinking push it up. Cause doing the head not good enough. And you know that. You play with fire. Because if you cuss down you, no more day game for you. Oh, don't have a clean the door and say, share what you thinking, what you say, and you shut up. I mean, your bitch songs so they hear that. And you know, raise up like raging book when both do not tell you say your pussy stink. You don't rage up like raging blood clot bowl. And me you want house a come. Me no fuck girl in a shade. I say me a fuck a girl, you're too broke for my living. You are too broke for my living. Cause I said me I go on vacation, I ain't gonna spend 2 days. I want to spend a week, 2 weeks, or a month. Who go? Me not got hotel for 2 days, but I stay in my yard. Yeah. Me not got hotel for 2 days. But I stay in my yard. Me not got hotel to spend 2 blood clot there because you can't afford no more days. Me I got at least 1 week, 2 weeks, or a month. One whole month. You the pan the vacation you can't. Mr. Una alone me see the pan blood clot vacation. Una alone me see the pan vacation and I'm gonna turn in a blood clot turn a TikTok. I'm hungry. You should have keep the 2 day money you use and go red blood clot hotel and buy food. Yeah, because she only try to attack fat people. And she slim and a leak. Yeah, that's how she attack fat people. You know what already? She puff up herself like me. You know, thinking she may attack. You know what already? She stop up herself like me. And she attack fat people. I will not leak and she a leak. So you want a brand new pussy and a brand new throat back. You want back. You want reborn. Say you want to reborn. Brand new pussy, brand new throat back, brand new life, everything. Boy, you have a beer and bang. You breathe and give to a wrong. You all a leak wrong. You nyam back your mouth, half a stink wrong. Cause for you can't blood clot, clean up your whole judge in your mouth. Sure, if you can't clean up your hole, I don't want to smell your mouth. Sure, if you cannot clean up your hole, I don't want to smell your mouth. If you can't clean up your
Hey, don't you them now no man are still enough. You see me I say? So, share them have to know how them are deal with one of them. You see me? So with Rosealee, you know, him know Rosealee, she know Rosealee and have whole heap of things can say about Rosealee, but she don't know Donia. See? But fear things them out there. And Donia have a huge following. So if Donia says something about she and this her, it will go more effective more than when Rosealee said. So she now go on in a things with Donia. You know why? Because Donia are the man pan TikTok certain way where she kinda link with to get certain gifts. You know what I mean? So she now go on disrespect him for him stop link with her. So enough people even stop link with her. So she now have nobody to match with like Rosealee said just now. So we're gonna watch some woman people.
No one smell them out. Cause if you so what about your mouth? If you put the cleanest thing up, the cleanest part paper is supposed to be ear so and under ear so and around ear so. And if down here so not right, judging up your son under your son around your so, he's a walking stink bomb. She's a walking skunk. And a true queenie can't do because true queenie hungry. She have to take the depression scent and there with you. He's a walking skunk. You look think. You look think. The 2 day vacation with your blood clot go pan. The 2 day vacation with your go pan. You should have reached the doctor. Me come tell you something, I live nowhere. Me's not that girl, but live still. When not stop, run down my club. Me not live nowhere. Me not live nowhere. I catch my eyelash teeth and toe. I almost say that it hurt me, I don't know for some reason. Me not live nowhere. At Jamaica, me live. Me not gonna be the first or the last to live in a run-down house. And my house alone run down in Jamaica. Me never come tell you say me a celebrity. Me never come tell you say me is that girl. Me a come from can't buy food till me can't buy food till me can't buy 2 suit of clothes. Then if me a come from can't buy food till me can't buy 2 suit of clothes, 2 look of food and 2 suit of clothes are what the problem. God I gotta help me one day when me can't buy more. But not give me a chance. What they pay me no want what kind of stripe me about no want take off of me. Me want know you know. What kind of stripe they pay me no want take off? Me not listen to my people them. What is stripe they want take off? Of course me humble. You have to start from the bottom to reach a top. You can't start from top to go bottom. So what the Nicki Minaj pass through and come give me there? And God bless Nicki and the whole of the people come here come give me. God bless Nicki and the whole of the people come here come support me. I'm not stop say that. But you know what blood clot them ego. You know what? You know what blood clot. Share ego. Remember the first part share them say them not beg. Then them become a beggar. So them a fight for gift and to be seen. Them a fight for the numbers to be seen to get the gift. And that's why I should enough so in everybody business. At first she talk out time out say, oh man, I thinking spit bucket side her. Oh, but she ain't have a big pan TikTok. You know what me so now fight for numbers. She don't she could be nervous when she get straight. You look like somebody who happy. Take a picture and smile, bitch. A foreign there. Take a picture and smile, bitch. A foreign your blood clot there. Don't come for me suck up. Leaky woman a combo blood clot. Me the wrong blood clot avenue you jump on. Now ramp with me. Don't play with me because you don't know me in a real life. You hear that? Don't play with me. My head not good. I'll screen a card page. Me I send out a one to Blinga. Blinga me no nice, you know. I said the next time, me I send a message, you know. Blinga me I send the message come here. So the next blood clot time, you had none of them creature blood clot looking old woman there. But come talk about me, what don't know about me, you're gonna regret it. Anytime you Blinga me I send the message, you know. Yeah, you must say you're a hypocrite long time, you know. I'm trying to comply with the nasty blood clot. I'm here to tell you this today and the blood clot, how much of them never know. Any day in blood clot, dear, you Blinga. Add back no more stinking girl in a box to class me. I'm gonna get a message on my DM. You're going to hear about over here, gonna be very messy. Over here, I'm gonna be very blood clot messy, you know, John Crow. Me I tell you enough, I'm know, you know. Me I tell you if I'm know. Me I warn you. Me I warn you, Blinga. Cause me soon as a potential friend, you know, me start on my blood clot enemy. Blinga me see as a potential friend, you know, don't turn my blood clot enemy. Cause me know who pay them. Me know who pay them. I want to argue with me, you know. No, big can't argue with me. You have to add some little cockroach in a box. For them just lip. No, you never argue with me. Get Uno alone. No, you never argue with me yet. And I Uno alone I argue. And I always add that smart says that when I put them part and I want to put them part and so you Uno walk. Uno argue with me in a group. and bungle. You don't argue with Rosealee in a group and bungle. I don't argue with no girl in a no group. I said, I said to someone on a big fuck out girl pan ya, whether all are young, man, woman, boy, I try to talk it out of this publicly. Come know what a bitch they know about me. What a bitch they know about blood clot, me. What a bitch they know about me. My mother have a mad certificate. My mother ever got Bellevue yet. So come by, oh, she mad. And them grey par. So could the man ain't know nothing about me. It's a her come up here, blood clot look. It's a her come up here, look so good. Blinga, me make sure me a one in a blood clot, Miss Blinga. Don't let me head chip on you because you're not gonna like it. Roger can't save you. And all the way you got had in the blood clot box. So lip and lap can't save you. Cause Blinga me go hard and empty all clip. And you know me can't do this. I'm not gonna dig up the information about me. I'm gonna talk about me know already. I know it's gonna hurt to know. So just rest your blood clot structure, woman, and don't follow me up. You saw me over here, me not trouble you. Me not look no clout off of you. Me a blood clot tell you say no woman. Me a don't fuck with me head because me no mad enough. Me birth that way yeah. Me birth mad. Me birth lose a screw. And time when you come by you come chatter for no stinking mouth. And it rub me the wrong bumbo clot way. You not gonna realize say the screw gone. No, don't fuck with me. Me a one in a Blinga. It's some over here, me a one with 3,000 people Blinga. Don't f blood clot head. Cause you not tear down the empire. No time. Me, I protect what me bill.
Which is rightfully so, you know what I mean? You have to protect what you bill, yes. But Rosealee have to know, say, Blinga do that to make fear money like how she make fear. See, so, Blinga have to add people to talk about situations. You know what I mean? Some of them Blinga bias span. That's something where everybody I go, you know what I mean, do. Because you go have people where you like, and you go have people where you and them a friend. So you're not going to go hard on them like how you don't go hard on some people you don't like and some people you don't know. You understand what I say? So I want to tell me what to think my people. Right? Boy, Rosealee go hard last night, my people. Jaja. Make watch some more. And we have more to get in.
Don't fuck with my head. Me only warn you. Port abstract. Make sure me a warn her. You will get the message. Come notice when it comes to certain things, you pick out. You understand? When it comes to certain argument with your friend them, you pick out. What the Roger man cut out in belly? What the Roger man cut out in belly? Mr. Just bring a minute, Roger man cut out in belly. You say, does Roger have a girlfriend? You're not going on Emmanuel, but if somebody is a jump on the A train. There's so many things to talk about. Vito come out with my mother so good. Vito come out with share grand na pampas. Oh, you not touch a topic there because of your friend. You pick and choose what you want to talk about. And that me notice with you, Blinga, is a hypocrite. Don't force me for this, Blinga. Blinga, don't force me for dip up underneath your dirty blood clot. Don't force me. Because if you force me for this, I'm gonna do it. Come and have a choice. Okay. Don't force me for this, Blinga. Don't force. What's going to dip up underneath your blood clot and bling bling? Bling bling. Don't force me for this, you know. Because if you force me for this, it not go rub the wrong way. Oh. Kind of church about over here talk how you come from this. How you do that? And you living at this, and you living at that. You not do court case. Pan Shibada. You're not doing court case on Shibada. You're not doing court case for Raja. You're not doing court case for Shay. You're not doing it for World Dog. Certain people are not doing it on. Who's your friend? And that's why I'm not like Kunupaya. Because you have my number. You have my number in your phone. Me and you correspond over the phone. How the fuck you got other girl in a box and sit down and enjoy the woman and tell her one piece of lie? I wanna turn the heads and go so yeah, enjoy it. Bring on my nail and hand back, you know. Remember me know you like my hand back. It's what she dip on live, so she dip on. She enjoy the story. Anytime she can't force, anytime Blinga talk, we bring a couple on the talk and she can't look at the camera. She enjoy the story. Blinga no big pussy. No about me. None. No big fella know about me. They don't know so I live yasso. They don't know nothing about me. All who come and talk, they don't know so I live yasso. No big about me. No fuck out they don't know. They don't know so I live yasso. Nobody don't know nothing about me. None. They keep on coming on the live when I talk about she take her mother man. It is stinking woman say, me take my mother man and my mother go mad. Me take my mother man, me take my mother and my mother go mad. So if I'm stinking shit come about the mother story from what day, yeah? And you see me I come clear up the ear like them, but just alone I'm gonna talk. And that's the problem, you know. Through the stinking old girl come. Through the stinking old girl come from what day, yeah? Come talk that story there. And you see me you know see me I give it no highlight because if something is not true, why would I really take the time out of my time to pay it in the mind? Eh? Before I glitch chat? Before I glitch? Eh? If something is not true, why would I take my time to sit down and about me a come? Me not clear ear, my love. Me not come clear no blood clot here. Me not want nobody on TikTok, no obligation. And you don't want to hear it and run with it, go and go run with it. But you know what that stinking woman I rub it the wrong way, you don't know me. You know what that stinking woman that rub me the wrong way, you don't know me. Don't come on the live and pretend like you know me from some stinking woman. How do you know my neighbor? Cause my neighbor now fast with me, cause me now fast with them. You're not my neighbor, Mr. Don't know you. I've never seen you in my lifetime before. My mother certificate for madness was born mad. Doctor don't even tell you so mad, we're born mad. You understand?
Well, my people, you see, you have to respond to some things sometime, you know, and just nip it right there so that it don't go no further. Because if you don't address it, it'll go spread. You see what I say? And when you decide to address it, maybe by them the time that nobody know what you have to say, because them entertained by the lies. You see me? And look, it's a Rosealee have a huge platform where she can speak out here now and say no go so. Right? But why you saw rumors can start, my people, and from once you go to one or two people, you know, especially go up on social media. Boy, me I tell you, make me know what to think. Could this some more people?
And for me, take Jake, my mother live here with Jakes. Which part in my lifetime my mother live here with Jakes? It's me make Jakes come here. So don't sit up on the lie with the whole for lies. You understand what I say? Because she say, my mother live here with Jakes. Right? If me are the mama, right? I miss one boy when me used to grind and take my daughter. Them can't live in the house with me. If me are the mama, me realize that the man start grind my daughter now, I'm not busy with them. All the fuck them for living in the house with me. It's so no mad, no sick. Una give me upset, no for una buy obsessed over me, you know, bad. And it's crazy. Una have a mental disorder called obsession. Because me a win and it bothers someone una bad. It bothers you guys. Me a win and it bother she did for me like Maclock. Me a win and it bother Shibada. Me a win and it bother Blinga. Me a win and it start by the blood clot roll down. Me a win and it bother no for una pan ya. Because me a win and it bothers you guys. Me not have to do the most. Me a win and it bother Al-Kasha. I fear that me she come say she go sue me for the picture I post. Me no know no boy again, I never know you. Me say people look at Kasha Ava. Me never talk about you, miss. At the picture I want me get my post. Cause me a rob Kasha. Me no busy boy girl. I don't even know you. People are 95% are on a bad mind TikToker. For some reason, I don't know. Mama tell you this in her life. I try my second, you know, I walk with Anne. You see, this so Mr. No wanna run down, that got fit to know. When you go look on the talent there, go and search for your talent. Some people can run, some people can run, some people can dance, some people can sing, some can cook, some can sew, some can wash, some can do ear, some can do eyelash. Some have the brains. Go and search on the talent. I was made for the internet. I was made for here. Cause sometimes to own a class, me not pay on the mind. On a class, I'm a pity them. On talk all this, on talk all that. I was made for here. Like how Rosealee make for dance. Rosealee make for dance. You understand? The boy will do the news reporter will come. The boy will do the news reporting. When him again, I don't remember what his name. Did make for sit down and read the monitor and report. Go search on the talent. Kirkwright. Go search on the talent. Everyone around the blood clot internet. Enough fit to know. One bag of big pussy girl or chest, one bag of cloud. Come on for my man and give me a break. No cloud no there. Me no shape black no man. Me no shape black no more. No cloud no there you saw. TikTok. Boy, I threw me a drink around me to spit out the why. TikTok, I'm sick, I'm tired of some of them. I'm just tired of them. Like, me not shape like no woman, me not shape like no girl. What is the problem? Me not shape like no woman, me not shape like no girl. Me and nobody. Me not shape like no woman, me and nobody not shape the same way. Why can I live my moment? I told you to give you no war over, because nobody not going to give you, know. It's only get to no 2 and no 3 and no 4 minutes after they say it done, you know. We don't talk about Rosealee and no talk about what you know about her. We don't talk about what you no feel, no think, you know. And they say it done, you know. Because I'm telling you this, it's who really know about me now step to the table. Who really know nah step up to the table. Them now step. Them now step up to the table and be me ear say, and when your ear say traveling I want different way, twist and turn up. Who really know me now step to the forefront? Not doing it. Who really know me now step to the forefront? Them now do it. I never see somebody who know me yet step to the forefront and try to argue with me. I always somebody who don't know me from nowhere come to try to cut me. I don't know in the same category. Alright, my baby, send back a gun, my bro.
Alright, my people. So, me I go in a few more minutes and then me I go move on to high school, yo. See, so let me know what you think in the comment section. So you see Rosealee come address the whole situation. You know what I mean? That's why me I tell you say you can listen to it, you hear people saying them have a saying them say believe none of what you hear and half of what you see. You understand? So when you hear people that chat other people, don't run with it like say boy at the gospel. You see me I say? So make you watch some more my people. Me I go to maybe a minute more and then we go over the next.
I'm properly no waste to gum. Send it back, galley. Now waste to gum. It is a blow probably no waste my gum. Let me drink fever, electric fire. No know me. And people, me I go say this no. But disappointed, me say I'm disappointed in Blinga. I'm very disappointed in Blinga. Blinga disappoint me. I'm very disappointed in Blinga. Very disappointed in her. Me the things that me and Blinga was friend. I'm very disappointed. She's a Judas. She's a Judas. You know, so Blinga call my phone. I when Stinger keep Blinga call my phone. I mean, Blinga can talk half the ear. Why would you do that? Why would you add woman say you keep cold case in a black suit? For add girl for so long and talk a man of evil about me. I just say me a friend. I mean me and a friend Blinga. He's a Judas. He's a blood-clad Judas. That's what you are. And when police are robbing the right way, you never come out, come answer. Blinga and me are your problem of police. Come never yet. Blinga and me are your problem of police mate. A police that say you're big and you stink. You figure look or argue about. You feel add girl in a box to argue with him. No. Cause probably him have one picture where you suck off him rifle. Are you afraid? No one is scared, you know. No one is scared. Me no one afraid. You can't argue with Blink. You can't argue with police. Cause probably police are gonna have me say police show your big long pussy. Your pussy. Yeah. Me say police show your pussy. When me see the picture, me that say I share one. I say not share one. Share one that look so bad. Yeah, I might not like her, but sometimes I give her a prop. Share one that look so bad. Share one is not that bad. Crazy can't talk, so share one that look so. You understand? Me might not like share, but people know me talk fear. Share one, me I say I share one. But I don't want to share one because I have share on my phone and I share from that. I bring a one. Well shaved. See the bill? The overcratch is root. Root. No, me not done. No root. No root. Root, I love you like life itself. Root, you don't know how much I appreciate you. I can't catch back the comment. When you stop commenting, me see what Root send a man. Root, I'm gonna check your comment. No, Root! Root, no! Root, you know me love you. Like life. He said, yo, I'm big man. When me tell myself, say, you come like a mother figure to me in my life. I know, say, you tell me, say, stop, I'm a do, me not go done. Root, you are my mother. He's a mother who I never have in my lifetime. The amount of love and affection where you show me never get that from no big man. You can call me and talk to me and show me certain points of how much you love me and you know me love you. Like life itself. My love for you like me two pity them. Like GX unconditionally. Me not done Root. Root me not done. You know me not done Root out there Blinga add them suck in the box to bring me down. For take me, for bring me down and mash up my platform when me slung and blood clot. Oh dear! Blood clot Blinga do that. And I push it up the pan, I put on the wall over here. I ring club, turn out all.
So is a costume. Rough. Yeah.
But if actually aka this man, I see how fuck around people as if we don't know where your mother there. I mean, I talk about me personally, because you can't run with me, because me make them go put them finger on our mouth. But if you think so because you there Switzerland, people can't trouble you and touch you, then we go find your mother, she there Spanish town with her head back careless. You need to chill. Mr. say y'all call agents upon people and ice upon people where I seek the same asylum where you're seeking in Switzerland. That's wrong. You're wrong. And let me tell you, me can't come talk like you can't call ice upon me because never legal before. Me double legal now. You have this delusion so because you're there in Switzerland and nobody now come there, so then we go flatten your family. Your mother will come past 7 o'clock news. Then your entire family will go and missing. You need to stop fucking with people and feel like so there are no repercussions, there are no consequences to it. But you see, because of the idiot you argue with, you will argue with the right person who will do things to your family. Your family there in Jamaica, you don't have no money to put them up. You don't have no filing to file for them to come by Europe. People will do them things. So that internet beef where you think you depend with people back and forth. People go fuck up your family. People go fuck them up. Destiny, aka this man, I see how fuck around people as if we don't know where.
But that means if you know say Destiny don't give a fuck about your own family then, he don't care. So I don't know where I understand what Zaka say, but Destiny don't care. His mother not like him, his family not like him. If no business what happened to them, he don't care.
Them president, when them call president. Look how we are go. We up in a blood clot judgment there. See how far we are go? We up in a judgment at 22 that we in, you know. Watch out. You see that? Then time I Blinga on the and happy, you know. We are go. We up in a judgment. Let me see if we do not too much. Let me see if we fight TikTok for this. No, then time I first one. Alright, we in a 22. Alright, we up in a judgment day now. Alright, this is Jayden, you know. Jayden, this with the first, you know. First set of shit in a plate, you know. Watch this, you see, which date we now? You see name already, you see name, do? See the August 22, 2003. We are start from here, so because we don't have to continue, because we see name. Anyway, we see name. See it, yeah? Church start now. Mr. Coolio, how are you? Would you be available? Me are going to house, car. Church start. I show you son. I show you I want to lie boy. All I want to me I give a blood clot for.
Alright, so what this person here say, if Destiny don't feel like the people can do him mother them things and whatever. Seeing as what she say, Destiny don't really care about him people them because the way them deal with the money the younger. And next thing again, Destiny brother them are bad people. So I say, and which part them live on the next level, nobody can grow on this, so go do none of them nothing. You have to see them on the road and do them whatever. You see me I say, And here we go on. Only way them can get hurt is by them there unless somebody from around there so or somebody brawling ground there go do whatever. You understand? So Destiny no give a F-U-C-K. You know what I mean? Him a go do him and these people are no business when what happen to anybody down a yard. Although which part them they them good and I brother them and people them are bad people too. You see me I say, so make me know what to think me people. I can watch high school here and hear them I say you know.
This morning. And I hope I last say this. On a bomb class shit in a plate and call up me name to cloud. And me tell you say, no me open my mouth, everything come down. You me say nobody can open their mouth run up on the app. They know me run the bomb class, bro. Right that's up on the batteram sound, post me and put up. See batteram sound and then rush me after I pussy they rush me because I river go show the bomb clad album and spend millions pussy. Me alone, I suck on the mother. Anyway, watch it now. See it here? Morning, Mr. Coolio. Morning, Coolio. Oh, Mr. Coolio. Listen to me name, pussy. I said, I said, address me by my real name. Because the people that we put up, oh, yeah. We put it up. If you never know. Listen, pussy. See that? Listen, pussy. See that? Queen on TikTok. What's your name? Beauty Bling. See that? Mr. Coolio, how are you? Would you be available tomorrow 11 a.m.? See there? August 22, 2023. We can go way back at August 2019. That's how far. May I tell them what you do around them. See there? Just a short interview on TikTok. The song Come Down Now. So you see that when Blam them as them bill Come Down Now from 2019. Oh, long that down. Oh, they feel busy on it. When him company up, me sure no. But this is from 2003. We are going to go back, you know. But we are start right as such. I mean, we can't pick anywhere and start. See there? Well, I'm going to take my hands out of my mouth. See there again? This song Come Down Now will be the topic. Okay, great. See me send him something there. Me pin a leaf, put it guru and put it green leaf. That's a go. They know me full of style. See that? Okay, great. You know say, so I will build the poster and send it to you. Me I go make on the year when me say, cause me not nothing for hide. So when me send man with a jayden yard. Jayden first yard. You must tell us a license first yard. I'm open the interview tomorrow. But watch this. You have to add the fish stock and then after me. Listen what I say. Yeah, when I do the interview, me interview them. Yeah, but you know, I'm going to put me in there in one box. I'm going to put my life blam them in the box. Listen. Yeah, you know me, if you want to put nobody, I will put blam them. Listen. Yeah, me not entertain the fish stock because you know, understand. I eat them a look entertainment to make money and fuck me not do that. I am the entertainment. So I just do it because I respect it. You see? Shalom. Who me just say I have put if I put nobody in my box? Who me just say? On the ear who me say? I don't know hear clearly. On the ear who did I say? On the ear who me say? Last year we in a 2025 pussy world. 2025 we in a 2025 pussy world. 2025 we in a pussy. 2025. Listen, I can't go. You want me to go way back? Alright, I'm going to stop here so I go way back, show you then. You want me to stop this and go? You want me to go way up? Which year we in a? 2022. You think a 1 year pussy? Which year that? You want me to go up? You want me to go way up? And look, you see me, I beg him the pussy. Which year that? November 2020 bomber cloud 1. We can tap this now. We can go way up pussy wall. But that's not a point. I your pussy wall, we are sure. The boy we talk about in Bush Shalom, we are sure how it come about. I show you how it come about. Look here, listen. Look how much time. Look here. Hello, sir. 2022, before me take interview. Hello. How are you, sir? Are you still up for that interview? Alright, that's the way there. On the second, we're not going to bomb buckler way. Blam them with it. We are show you how blam them come about. However, it's not there. Mr. High School, do you think you're ready for me now? You so much time? Hello, you so much time? Oh, is your schedule for the interview? You so much time? I know we don't answer him yet. We don't have to be answering. See, there one more. See, continue. We are going to blame them. Coming even know so much bumbuck that time. We just show them. We are going to blame them. See, blame them as I write, as I blame them come about. Let me see if I write as they come about. This is our interview. We see him interview me. I tell him say me audio, me YouTube, me internet is bad, but next time it are better. You see it. Alright, we are show you the press on the bottom and they come about. See there? Listen again. Right, that's how we did. Now go back up. Watch the video and then I go find out. Listen, but watch this now. Me company interview tomorrow morning, but watch this. You have to add the fish tacker then after me. Yeah, when I don't interview me, I interview them. Yeah, but then I go put me and them in a one box. I go put my life lamp them in a box. Yeah, even me, if you want to put somebody, I put lamp them. Yeah, when I entertain the fish tacker.
Alright, my people. So, high school, you've been over the years a person where, you know what I mean, talk in mind and a person where people know. And as him say, Blinga want interview him from how long and blame them link him from how long. But now I feel that him for that show him pride aside because me know say him want match with people and make money. So him for do that. You know what I mean? Nobody now go to bring him down to do that because everybody a do it and I make money. So you need to match and make money right now because me know him want to do it, but him just feel say them a go want bring him down. Do it. You see me? You find a way to forward on TikTok and make a name for yourself. Yeah, match and see if you get gift. You know what I mean? You need it because you have to buy whatever. If you talk to the people, you have to buy whatever, so you're going to need the money. You see me? I say, so we're going to watch this a little bit more with people and then we're going to end it.
Because you know, understand, if them a look entertainment to make money off of me, no do that. I am the entertainment. Some of those I do it because I respect it, you see. Shalom. Only you allow me to say shalom. Only you when me say shalom, only you allow me to say shalom. We look again for 2 years ago that and a long before that. Alright, listen again. You know, this is the last video that I'm saying now. Obviously the one they talking. A 2 reaction jayden, the one in do a laugh. And eventually he can't manage the people then we are mountains and come from my page and say something no matter. I want to know what time that me in the yard, out the yard gate and call him and in the house lock up like a big pussy girl and call police and I call people. I don't know this, so I show you say. Him never do the day in yard, him just a surface back, you know. So I try to say, I don't want you to set him up my friend, him have to kill him kind of real life. Him know you go, and then I'm my backyard he live. Him addresses. Just believe me, ask him, send him the video and ask him. So tell him, say, oh, no, me accompany life, come tell him myself. But me just show you why. You see, it's all fun and games on one side, but on one side you have some man with really, you hear? And then know too. Watch pussy wall. See it here? You hear where she say? Okay, I'm gonna watch the video. I will, my boss. I will put up. Who this? Alright. Me and the fish tacker them fall out. Cause me over there I read every man file. Cause me sister them bad mind. Thanks so much I scold you. And one video you send me. Check it back.
Okay, because yesterday you sent me a request to play match, and I usually don't play match because the people in TikTok so bad mind. Worse me not live because you come over there now with the news. So me I read news. So I mix up it. So I was asking him about it, if you hear this song. So he said, I want to ask you something. So I said, don't worry, I'm going to bring high school you on an interview so you can ask him. But now you say you don't want nobody added. I understand. Alright?
I mean, for a long time, I don't know whether she's in a plate there and they know too. They are continue. No, you can't ask me nothing. My body boy, attention, them look. You don't understand? Some of them are selling body manism for literally attention. And I like, remember, say, I don't say nothing to them more and come down, you know. And they come step up at him and them are there, they taking up what we say, but watch you know. Them feel like them can use the internet and style message. Me tell them come from my page and say, suck your madam, me go over yard, broadly 2 Sunday ago. And I call him over Venom, them and they lock up in the life some big pussy girl and then.
All the man Venom, they not deal again.
They not saying that they are yard for a couple of days, so I think coming out. I know see me circle back. So me I try to tell you, say me bossy head, mama. If you feel like you can ramp it, literally body man bossy head. Me talk about bossy head, make blood run. Never talk about taking your life out of him body. Bossy blood clotted. So me I show you, say me no want to win. They use ego and beat up themselves. Cause right, the angels face what they say they. In my back. You know what to pussy, well, you know. I mean, I cap. I mean, I do cap it, me have a true pussy. I no box with him, you know. RT bars good, because me and him no beef, but me no box with him neither. Listen what me say. Man, that's what me think come. Listen what me say. I can't have my own energy, you see. Big up. Blinga pre me too, me tell him say me no want RT in my box neither. Listen. Yeah, mama, me no want live no box with him, you know. RT bars good, because me and him no beef, but me no box with him neither. Man, that's something to come. Me can't have my own energy, you see. Big up. How long me I hold me one dog, see there? Okay, anything you say, it's sad. Oh, couple lion, sell out world dog. See it? I tell you see it? Me never say nothing. God, they can't. You see it? What's what you say? This interview is gonna be huge because we are running off TikTok, you know, ego. Sometimes you have to make example out of people. No, I got you. I will never do that. I don't understand the assignment, so me I go make the flyer. I understand the assignment, so me I go make the flyer and see you tomorrow. You hear what me say? Come in and hide nothing. That is it, mama. You know your assignment already, because you know me come down. That's why I don't want you had nobody, so nobody feel like you missed them. Nobody no safe, you see it? So I don't want you had nobody, make nobody feel like you disrespect them. Make me do all like this. Just ask me anything you want, blood clot, because you know me come down already. You want to see it? RT boss, me I tell him, say, don't had nobody. You know what he had it? That is it, mama. Because I go tell him the truth. You know your assignment already, because you know me come down. That's why I don't want you had nobody, so nobody feel like you missed them. Nobody no safe, you see it? So I don't want you had nobody.